Hi, I'm Mittal, President NASSCOM. NASSCOM represents the IT BPO products and internet and mobile companies in this country. We have more than 1,400 members representing both Indian and foreign companies. One of the tasks for us is to ensure that we expand markets, ensure that new technology gets adopted well, do public advocacy around it. And also, more importantly, in the last few years, we've started concentrating on cybersecurity and privacy-related issues. We think it's very important aspect that the whole ecosystem becomes very secure and privacy concerns are managed. Well, as you said, technology and particularly internet has changed our lives, and I think it's going to change our lives ahead because we're not even sure what's ahead of us here. In the Indian context, while we may be number 3 in terms of internet penetration, but the pace is going to be even larger. The whole country is getting connected, 3G, 4G, the network across villages getting established. So if we already have an adoption by the youth, I think what we're going to see ahead is multiple times this. And I think it's very important that as people leverage technology, just like anywhere else, they use it securely, safely, and enjoy what technology has to offer. But just like anywhere else, we need to use it safely and securely.